we guide you through how to download a Microsoft Teams recording. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where the meeting was held. Look for the meeting recording link, which is usually stored in either OneDrive for private meeting or SharePoint for channel meetings. Click the recording to open it in your browser. Once it downloads, look for the download button in the top menu or under the three dots options menu. Click it and choose your desired location on your device to save the file. If you don't see the download option, make sure you have the correct permission because only meeting organizers or people with access rights can download recordings. For channel meetings, you may also need to open the file in SharePoint and download it directly from there. After downloading, check your download folder to confirm the file is saved and playable.